Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're taking a look at the Joyroom JR-ZS398, the best bicycle phone holder for keeping your phone secure and accessible while you ride. Let's get started. Product features: secure and durable build. One of the standout features of the Joyroom JR-ZS398 is its metal rack pull rod, designed to keep the clamp arm rock solid. Even when riding on rough terrain, this phone holder doesn't budge. It's built to last and ideal for long-distance cyclists and mountain bikers. One-click locking mechanism. No need to fumble around. With its one-click locking system, your phone snaps securely into place in seconds. Whether you're rushing to start a ride or stopping quickly, this feature keeps your phone steady and secure, even on bumpy roads. 360-degree adjustable viewing angle. Need to use navigation in landscape mode? Prefer vertical scrolling? No problem. The Joyroom JR-ZS398 allows full 360-degree rotation, giving you the flexibility to switch screen orientations without removing your device. Universal compatibility. Whether you use an iPhone or Android, this mount is ready. It fits phones from 4.7 to 7.0 inches and even accommodates most phone cases, giving you wide compatibility without extra adjustments. Camera-friendly design. Want to snap a quick photo or record your cycling adventure? You don't need to remove your phone. The smart design keeps your camera fully unobstructed, so you're always ready to capture the moment. Quick and easy installation. Installation takes just 8 seconds. Compatible with handlebars from 0.59 to 1.57 in diameter, it's designed to fit almost any bike setup, from road bikes to mountain bikes and even scooters. Silicone protection. To top it off, the four-corner silicone wrapping gives your phone full body protection from scratches and shock. It absorbs vibrations and keeps your phone in perfect condition, no matter how wild the ride gets. Pros: extremely stable and durable build. Fast and secure one-click locking. 360-degree adjustable for flexible viewing. Compatible with most smartphones and cases. Easy to install in seconds. Silicone corners provide full protection. Keeps camera uncovered for photos and video. Cons: not ideal for folding bikes with very narrow handlebars. May require adjustment for ultra-thick phone cases. No built-in charging option. Final thoughts. The Joyroom JR-ZS398 bicycle phone holder is a top-tier choice for anyone who needs a secure, durable, and highly functional phone mount while riding. Its smart locking mechanism, flexible design, and excellent build quality make it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're a daily commuter, a casual weekend rider, or a serious cyclist, this holder offers the convenience and reliability you need on the road. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Products for more helpful gadget reviews and tech guides. Thanks for watching.